Dear students, welcome back to Devashya International School. So students, as you know, our essay 1 exam is going to come. Okay, so now students, this is a revision video of Science Standard 8th. So students, see, in this video we will discuss about some revision part. Clear? See, means how the exam is going to be taken. Clear? Now see, so स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी आपको पेपर स्टाइल जो है वो आपको मिल गया है. क्लियर? सो पेपर स्टाइल में जो भी क्वेश्चन है आपने देख लिया होगा. ओके, एंड आई होप दैट बंडल, ओके, दैट फोल्डर यू हैव कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द स्कूल. इफ इट इज़ नॉट कलेक्टेड देन स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज़ गो एंड कलेक्ट द फोल्डर जिसमें आपके सारे क्वेश्चन पेपर, ओके, बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गिव द एग्ज़ाम, because on the basis of this exam only, okay, we are going to, okay, put the marks. जो भी SA1 का जो एग्ज़ाम है, ओके, उसके बेस पे जो आपके मार्क्स है वो आपको मिलने वाले हैं. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, बिफोर दिस सी, सो द फर्स्ट, दिस इज द असाइनमेंट ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 8th साइंस. नाउ सी, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, fill in the blank. So students, here total, first you can see, fill in the blanks. Total how many fill in the blanks, that we will discuss after. But see, for the short question answers we have given. For the short questions answer we have given, but for the big questions answers we are not given. Clear? Now, okay, as we know, okay, our syllabus already we have completed. Now see, fill in the blanks. First question, the same kind of, student, this is the assignment, okay, the same kind of plant grown and cultivated on a large scale at a place called crop. Clear? So ये आपको ध्यान रखना है स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, इसी तरीके से आपको एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा. नाउ, तो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, the first step before growing crop is dash of the soil. So the answer will be preparation of the soil. Now third question, damaged seeds would dash on top of water. So the answer will be float on top of water. Clear? Now for number, microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash. So the answer will be microscope. Clear? So cholera is caused by dash. So the answer will be bacteria. Okay, so this way students, now you can see question 5. Then number 6, alcohol is produced with the help of dash. So students, the answer is microorganism. Clear? Now you can see number 8. Okay, number 8 you can see iron is dash reactive than copper. So students, iron is more reactive than copper. So this way students, so total you can see this, fill in the blanks you have to read. Okay, and आपके एग्ज़ाम में जो fill in the blanks आने वाली है, okay, वो यहीं से आने वाली है. So total how many fill in the blanks we are having? So total 35. So the last one, keeping crop for a long time under proper condition is called dash. So the answer will be storage. Clear? Now students, one more, question number 2. So now students, this is true or false. So here the answer is given, but okay, see, directly we can just focus on, we will focus on the question only. See, state true or false, and students, here it is not required to write the reasons. Clear? First, generally non-metals react with water, so you have to write yes or no. So the answer will be false. Clear? Sodium is a very reactive metal, so the answer will be true, yes. So students, in our paper 10 true or false, in paper 10 true or false we have asked So students, here 10 true or false we have asked, but and each questions carry half marks. Clear? Now number 6, then number 9 you can see. Okay, these are the questions. Clear? Now number 9, paddy is a kharif crop. The answer will be true or false. So this way the answer we have given. Okay, the answer will be true. Clear? Now, so total how many true or false we have given? So there are total 35 true or false. Clear? So students, this true or false you have to read, and we have asked 10 true or false from this. Clear? Now the next part is question number 3. Match the following questions. See, so students, here the answer we have given. तो यहाँ पे आंसर आपको डायरेक्टली सामने दिया हुआ है. क्लियर? बट एग्जाम में ऐसा नहीं होगा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, खरीफ क्रॉप, पैडी एंड मेज, राबी, wheat, gram and pea, chemical fertilizer, urea and phosphate, bacteria causing cholera, yeast, baking of bread. So this way total how many questions we are having? So total number of questions are 20. So the last one, bacteria causing cholera. Clear? So ये सारी चीज़ें आपको ध्यान रखनी है. Clear? Now one more, 17 number, lactobacillus. So students, जब मैंने आपको चैप्टर पढ़ाया था तो मैंने आपको बताया था ओके कि लैक्टोबैसिलस का काम क्या होता है. ओके, तो सेटिंग ऑफ कर्ड. क्लियर? देन ऑर्गेनिक मैन्यूअल, काउ डंक. क्लियर? सो नाउ ओके, next question, tick the correct option. So students, here the answers we have given. See the highlighted part. Okay, the bold part is the answer. First question, yeast is used in the production of dash. So yeast is used in the production of HCl. Now the second one, the following is an antibiotic. So students, here the option number D. Now third one, carrier of malaria causing protozoa is dash. So female Anopheles mosquito. Now one more, question number 4, the most common carrier of communicable disease is dash. So the answer will be housefly. Clear? So students, one more important question, the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called dash. So students, the answer will be fermentation. So this way total how many questions we are having? So the total number of questions are, see, so total number of questions are 20. So last, okay, 20 questions we are having. Clear? So I hope students टिक द क्वेश्चंस आपको समझ में आ गए. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि 50 मार्क्स के पेपर में ओके द हाफ पोर्शन इज ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड द नेक्स्ट पोर्शन इज सब्जेक्टिव. क्लियर? नाउ दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन इन ब्रीफ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, टोटल 5 क्वेश्चन आर देयर. ओके, हमारे एग्जाम में कितने क्वेश्चन आने वाले? ओके, 5 क्वेश्चन एंड ईच क्वेश्चन कैरी 2 मार्क्स. ओके, हर एक क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट कितने मार्क्स का होगा? 2 मार्क्स का. क्लियर? नाउ so the students, first question, what are weeds and how it can be controlled? So students, this paper styles already we have discussed in okay our live lecture. So students, live lecture में भी हमने इसका डिस्कशन किया था. क्लियर? now second question, what are the major group of microorganism? Now third, explain why some fibers are called synthetic. Now what is रैड डेटा बुक? स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, व्हाट इज रैड डेटा बुक. नेक्स्ट, एक्सप्लेन लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर you have to write only law of reflection, no need to draw the diagram. Clear? Now so this way, and one more, what is irrigation? So the answer is very simple, the process of providing water to the field. Clear? Now so total 20 questions. Students, from 20 we are going to ask only 5 questions. Now next one, give scientific reason. So students, 3 questions we are going to ask, and here total how many questions are there? 12 questions. Clear? So from 12 वी आर गोइंग टू आस्क ओनली 3 क्वेश्चंस. क्लियर? तो स्टूडेंट्स आई होप कि ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ईजी है और आप इसको प्रिपेयर कर लोगे. क्लियर? चलो ओके. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एल्यूमिनियम फॉइल्स आर यूज्ड टू रैप फूड आइटम्स. सो व्हाई only aluminum foils are used? Clear? The answer you are knowing. Sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Clear? LPG is a better domestic fuel than wood. Clear? So this way total 12 questions and answers the following question in brief. Clear? So again, this is the most important part, students. Total how many questions are there? See. So total 12 questions are there. Clear? And you have to read this again. Okay. So 3 questions for 3 marks. Okay. 1 question of 3 marks. Clear? See, now the question is, write down the difference between manure and fertilizer. Clear? So write down the difference between fertilizer and manure. So you are knowing this. Next one, explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of a crop in a field. Clear? Now third one, write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our. See students, one more. This is a very important one diagram we have given. Make a label diagram of candle flame. Clear? And one more, explain how deforestation lead to reduced rainfall. So this way students total 12 questions are there. I hope कि ये सारे questions आपको समझ में आ गए. So students सारी चीज़ें आपको क्या करनी है? You have to read everything from the assignment. Clear? From the assignment you have to read each and everything. So students I hope कि ये आपको समझ में आ गया है. Clear? So question answer, then short question, brief question and give reason. This you have to read ओके वेरी केयरफुली. बहुत ध्यान से ही आपको पढ़ना है. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स आई होप आपको समझ में आ गया एंड बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट फॉर द एग्जाम. सो पेपर आप बहुत अच्छे से लिखना. क्लियर? एंड नो नीड टू चीट. ओके, कोई चीटिंग करेगा नहीं. क्लियर? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जय हिंद, बेस्ट ऑफ लक.